Hello dear viewers, how are you all? Welcome to Ravi MTech Computers. You have seen thumbnail and you came to watch this video, right? Definitely this video is very helpful to all your competitive exams, whether it may be a government competitive exam or private competitive exam. It is helpful to all competitive exams. While watching this video, try to test yourself, and if you get any of these questions in your competitive exam, please try to mention in the comment section. So those who are watching for the first time, don't forget to click on subscribe button and activate bell icon also, so that you will get all my notifications. Those who already subscribed, don't forget to activate bell icon. We'll go to our topic, top 100 computer full forms. Number 1, ALGAL. Full form is algorithmic language. Algorithmic language. Number 2, ALU. Full form is arithmetic and logical unit. Number 3, ANSI. ANSI. Full form is American National Standards Institute. American National Standards Institute. Number 4, ARPANET. Full form is Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. Number 5, ASCII. Full form is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Number 6, ATM. It is related to bank. Full form is Automated Teller Machine. Next, number 7, ATM. It is related to computer networks. Its full form is Asynchronous Transfer Mode. Asynchronous Transfer Mode. Number 8, AI. Full form is Artificial Intelligence. Number 9, BASIC. Full form is Beginners All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. Beginners All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. Number 10, BCD. Full form is Binary Coded Decimal. Binary Coded Decimal. Number 11, BIOS. Full form is Basic Input Output System. Basic Input Output System. Next, number 12, BGP. Full form is Border Gateway Protocol. Border Gateway Protocol. Number 13, CAD. Full form is Computer Aided Design. Computer Aided Design. Number 14, CGI. Full form is Common Gateway Interface. Number 15, CDMA. Full form is Code Division Multiple Access. Code Division Multiple Access. Number 16, CD-ROM. Full form is Compact Disk Read-Only Memory. Number 17, CMOS. Full form is Complementary Metal Oxide Semiconductor. Complementary Metal Oxide Semiconductor. Number 18, COBOL. Full form is COBOL. Full form is Common Business Oriented Language. Common Business Oriented Language. Number 19, CPU. Full form is Central Processing Unit. Number 20, CRT. Full form is Cathode Ray Tube. Number 20, CRT. Full form is Cathode Ray Tube. Number 21, CSV. Full form is comma separated values. Comma separated values. Number 22. DBMS full form is Database Management System. Database Management System. 23. DOS full form is DOS. DOS full form is Disk Operating System. Number 24. DVD full form is Digital Video or Versatile Disk. Digital Video Disk or Digital Versatile Disk. 25. DDR full form is Double Data Rate. Double Data Rate. 26. DNS full form is Domain Name System. Domain Name System. 27. DBA full form is Database Administrator. DBA full form is Database Administrator. 28. EBCDIC full form is EBCDIC full form is Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. Number 29. EPROM. EPROM full form is Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. 30. EEPROM full form is EEPROM full form is Electrically Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. Electrically Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. Number 31. E-commerce full form is Electronic Commerce. Electronic Commerce. Number 32. Email full form is Electronic Mail. Electronic Mail. 33. EDVAC full form is Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer. Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer. ENIAC full form is ENIAC full form is Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. Number 35. EDP full form is Electronic Data Processing. Electronic Data Processing. Number 36. EDI full form is Electronic Data Interchange. Electronic Data Interchange. Number 37. Fortran full form is Formula Translation. Formula Translation. Number 38. FTP full form is File Transfer Protocol. File Transfer Protocol. Number 39. GIF full form is Graphics Interchange Format. Graphics Interchange Format. Number 40. GPRS full form is General Packet Radio Service. General Packet Radio Service. Number 41. GPS full form is Global Positioning System. Global Positioning System. 42. GUI full form is Graphical User Interface. Number 43. GIS full form is Geographic Information System. Geographic Information System. Number 44. GSM full form is Global System for Mobile Communication. GSM full form is Global System for Mobile Communication. Number 45. HTTP full form is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTP full form is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Number 46. HTML full form is Hypertext Markup Language. hypertext markup language. Number 47, IP full form is Internet Protocol. Internet Protocol. Number 48, ISO full form is International Standards Organization. International Standards Organization. Number 49, ISP full form is Internet Service Provider. Internet Service Provider. Number 50, IT full form is Information Technology. Information Technology. ISDN full form is Integrated Services Digital Network. Integrated Services Digital Network. Number 52, JPEG full form is Joint Photographic Experts Group. Joint Photographic Experts Group. Number 53, KB full form is related to memory, kilobyte. KB full form is kilobyte. 54, LAN full form is Local Area Network. Local Area Network. Number 55, laser full form is LASER. Laser full form is Light Amplification by Stimulated Emission of Radiation. Light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Number 56, LCD full form is Liquid Crystal Display. Liquid Crystal Display. Number 57, LED full form is Light Emitting Diode. Light Emitting Diode. 58, MAN full form is Metropolitan Area Network. Metropolitan Area Network. Number 59, MB full form is Megabyte. Megabyte. Number 60, MICR full form is Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. Number 61, modem full form is MODEM. Modem full form is Modulator Demodulator. Modulator Demodulator. Number 62, MPEG full form is Moving Picture Experts Group. Moving Picture Experts Group. Number 63, MS-DOS full form is Microsoft Disk Operating System. Microsoft Disk Operating System. Number 64, NIC is related to network. Full form is Network Interface Card or Network Interface Controller. Number 65, OCR full form is Optical Character Reader or Recognition. Optical Character Reader or Optical Character Recognition. Number 66, OMR full form is Optical Mark Recognition or Reader. Optical Mark Recognition or 67, PAN. It is related to network. Its full form is Personal Area Network. Personal Area Network. Number 68, PC full form is Personal Computer. Personal Computer. Number 69, PNG full form is Portable Network Graphics. Portable Network Graphics. Number 70, PROM full form is Programmable Read-Only Memory. Programmable Read-Only Memory. Number 71, RAM full form is RAM full form is random access memory. Random access memory. Number 72. ROM full form is ROM. ROM full form is read only memory. 73. RDBMS full form is Relational Database Management System. Relational Database Management System. Number 74. RTOS full form is Real Time Operating System. 75. SMPS full form is Switch Mode Power Supply. Switch Mode Power Supply. Number 76. SIM full form is Subscriber Identification Module. Subscriber Identification Module. Number 77. SSH full form is Secure Shell. Number 78. SMTP full form is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Number 79. SHA full form is Secure Hash Algorithm. Secure Hash Algorithm. Number 80. SQL full form is Structured Query Language. Structured Query Language. 81. SDRAM full form is Synchronous Dynamic Random Access Memory. Synchronous Dynamic Random Access Memory. SMS full form is Short Message Service. Short Message Service. Number 83. SSL full form is Secure Socket Layer. SSL full form is Secure Socket Layer. 84. TB. It is related to computer memory. Its full form is Terabyte. TB full form is Terabyte. Number 85. TCP/IP full form is Transmission Control Protocol / Internet Protocol. Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. 86. UNIVAC full form is Universal Automatic Computer. UNIVAC full form is Universal Automatic Computer. Number 87. UPS full form is Uninterrupted Power Supply. UPS full form is Uninterrupted Power Supply. Number 88. URL full form is Uniform Resource Locator. Uniform Resource Locator. 89. URI full form is Uniform Resource Identifier. Uniform Resource Identifier. Number 90. USB full form is Universal Serial Bus. USB full form is Universal Serial Bus. 91. UI full form is User Interface. User Interface. Number 92. VDU full form is Visual Display Unit. Visual Display Unit. Number 93. Virus full form is Vital Information Resource Under Siege. Virus full form is Vital Information Resource Under Siege. Number 94. VGA full form is Video Graphics Array. Video Graphics Array. 95. VLSI full form is Very Large Scale Integration. Very Large Scale Integration. Number 96. VPN full form is Virtual Private Network. Virtual Private Network. Number 97. WWW full form is World Wide Web. World Wide Web. 98. WAN. WAN full form is Wide Area Network. Wide Area Network. 99. WAP full form is Wireless Application Protocol. Wireless Application Protocol. Number 100. Wi-Fi full form is Wi-Fi full form is wireless fidelity. Wireless fidelity. Okay, thanks to all for watching this video. If you like my video, don't forget to click on like button and click on subscribe button also. Those who are watching for the first time, click on subscribe button and activate bell icon also. If you want more videos like this, please post your opinions in the comment section. Definitely this video is very helpful to all your competitive exams like bank exams or RRB exams or NTPC exams or Public Service Commission exams. Belongs to all the states. Thanks to all for watching this video. Don't forget to click on subscribe button and activate bell icon. Thanks to all.